Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How are you? Hope you are all doing well. Today we will start our new chapter that's name is animals. Animals are our friend. They are living things. They need food, water and air to survive. How do we group animals? Are all animals same? We group animals that are alike. In another group, animals have backbone. In some group, animals do not have backbone. One of the group is based on where animals live. What is a backbone? A backbone is a long chain of bone. It runs down an animal's back just like the one you have in your back. It gives shape to the body. Animals. There are a variety of animals, so scientists divided animals into different groups. Animal classification on the basis of the presence or the absence of backbone. Backbone. The animals that have backbone are called vertebrate, and there are five groups of vertebrate mammals. Example: lion, elephant, whale, bird, sparrow, duck, reptile, lizard, snake, crocodile, amphibians, frog, salamander, toad, fish, golden fish, mollusk. Animals that do not have backbone are called invertebrate. Insects do not have backbone. Insects have six legs. They have three body parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Most insects can fly like butterflies and bees. Animals on the basis of their habitat. Air animals you can see in your pig, sparrow, eagle, butterfly, land animal, horse, rat, giraffe, water animal, duck, fish, mollusk. And after completing your chapter, dear student, you will solve your back exercise number 1. Fill in the blank on your book. And second exercise is take the correct option which you will also solve in on your book. And question answer, you will solve these question answer on your notebook. Thank you.